Let's make chicken Caesar pasta. Been going all day, don't have much time for dinner tonight, so let's get this done in 30 minutes. Slice your chicken breast in half. We want thinner, about uniform pieces. We're gonna season with lemon pepper and Caesar dressing. Get your hands in there, make sure everything's coated and combined, or put this all in a Ziploc bag, shake it up, and put it in the refrigerator. Over medium heat, let's add some oil to a pan, then drop in our chicken. We're gonna cook down each side for 5 minutes, flip, do the other side. Now let's plate it and let it rest. Any juices left on the plate can be dumped back into the sauce. Now we're gonna add butter and minced garlic. Let it cook down for a minute. Now we're gonna add broth. I use this. Next comes milk, and then more Caesar dressing. Turn the heat up and bring to a boil. Now that it's boiling, let's add in some pasta. Lower down to simmer, move it around occasionally, make sure nothing sticks, and cook per the box instructions. Now that my noodles are done cooking, I added in my chopped chicken. Now I'll finish with capers and Parmesan.